Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a craft video for you. My daughter will be joining me today and together we will be making our own paper organizer out of cereal boxes. Yes, you heard that right, cereal boxes. This is a very fun and inexpensive way to make your own paper organizer with things that you have around your home. Alright, so let's get started. The items you'll need are scissors, tape. You can also use a glue gun if you have one, or just regular glue. But I think tape is probably the best choice. And of course, a very nice wrapping paper. And since we are feeling festive, we chose this wrapping paper for ours. And let's not forget the cereal boxes. You can use 2, 3, or 4 boxes depending on how tall you want your paper organizer to be. You just need them all to be the same size. For ours, we will be using 4 because we want a place to store the different types of paper we use, such as construction paper, colored paper, cardstock, and plain white printing paper. Next, you'll want to cut off the flaps from the cereal boxes, and once that is done, you'll want to stack them and start taping them together in place. Make sure the corners align so that it stays up straight.
We are adding glue to hold the boxes together, but just using tape will also work as well. You'll need to tape the front side and the back side so that it stays tightly in place. Make sure to tape the whole front side where the cereal boxes touch. It'll protect you from the sharp edges on the cereal boxes. And then you would apply the same process to the other 2 boxes as well if you are using more than 2 boxes. Once again, tape the front side and then the back. This is a very fun project that 2 people can do. And while one person holds the boxes, the other one can tape it together, making this even easier and faster to do. Once you are done taping your 2 sets of boxes, it is time to stack these together as well. And once again, repeat the same process. Tape the front and then the back, with the corners aligned so that it stays up nice and straight. Finally, it is time to use the wrapping paper. If you already have some, then you can use that one, or you can pick some up at your local dollar store. We are using this snowman wrapping paper since the holidays are just around the corner. Roll out your wrapping paper so that it is enough to cover all the boxes. And from here, you'll wrap this paper organizer as if it were a present. I folded about 1 inch in on the side that will show as the front side just to ensure that it is straight and so that it will look as neat as possible. Then I placed the boxes in the middle and started wrapping the sides. It didn't cover the whole bottom side, but that's okay since the bottom won't show anyway. Then you'll want to add a small piece of tape and tape each side on each level just to secure the wrapping paper. Now it's time to cover the back side. Cut off any excess wrapping paper first, then fold one side in and secure it with tape. Then do the same to the other side. Fold it in and secure it with tape. There should be a triangle-shaped flap hanging from the top. When folding each side, make sure to press into each edge so that the wrapping paper hugs the boxes firmly. For the top flap, simply press along the sides to shape it as a triangle and then pull it down, securing it with tape. Lastly, fold in the last remaining flap towards the bottom side of the boxes. And bam, you are all finished. You now have a beautiful and inexpensive paper organizer.
Alright, so that's all I have for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly videos documenting our homeschool story and sharing what I am learning as a first-time homeschooling mom. So if you'd like to come along on this journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and let's homeschool together.